Not only this, you can use Google as a currency converter to compare currencies to. Let's say you need to immediately know what's the conversion rate for a particular currency. So let's say I want to convert a US dollar into INR maybe. Okay. So it will still give me one US dollar equals 66.78 rupees. So that's too good for me because I'm in India. So if I receive some dollars, they will be multiplied by 66.78 to to go to me. Okay, maybe euro. Okay, so one US dollar equals to 0.92 euro, or you can directly use this here as well. But to start with, you can have this Google search. It's much easier to use. Okay, so if you want to know a particular currency rate right now, you can use Google immediately and search for the value. And not only this, you can search for any value. One US dollar, you want to have some calculation, you can have 789.98. It will automatically calculate that conversion to also for you. Okay, not only one US dollar, but 789, any amount of US dollar to particular currency, or any amount of any currency to any currency. Okay, so it has got access to all the currency conversion rates currently prevailing in the market.